Hey, how do you do? Welcome back to iPhoneTopics.com. Apple recently introduced a new feature known as the continuity camera feature. This will allow us to use the iPhone as a webcam. Furthermore, they allow us to access the variety of features. I can't wait to show you this wonderful feature. So let's dive into the video. First, we're gonna see about how this continuity camera feature works. Only macOS 13 Ventura and iOS 16 support the continuity camera feature. This feature works in both wire and wireless mode. For wire, you have to connect USB cable from your iPhone to your Mac. For wireless, you have to turn on your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth options. It has some incredible features such as center page, portrait, studio light, and disk view. I would like to share you the studio light and disk view feature in particular, because this too makes your video call presence stunning. The studio light assists you to dimming your background lights and highlighting yourself in the camera. This will come in handy if you're in a restaurant or in a public place. The next one is disk view, which allows you to focus on both you and your disk at the same time. Very nice, right? Okay, now I will show you how to use your iPhone as a webcam. First, you have to turn on continuity camera option on your iPhone. For that, open the settings on your iPhone, then select the general. Here select the AirPlay and hands-off feature. You can see the continuity camera webcam here, simply turn it on. That's all. Next, place your iPhone at the top of your Mac monitor and then launch the video call app like Zoom, FaceTime, Skype or any other. When you open the app, your iPhone's camera is automatically turns on. If your iPhone camera does not connect, go to the video menu and select your iPhone as a webcam for Mac. Okay, let's move on to the cool feature of the continuity camera. Here we go. On the right side menu bar, select the control center. Now from the prompt, select the video effect option. It will display the option center stage, portrait, studio light, disk view. You can make a selection based on your requirements. This is how you can use your iPhone as a webcam for your Mac. Did you discover any interesting feature in iOS 16 and macOS 13? If so, please let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to iPhoneTopics.com, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.